Oh, another 151. We have day 24 of opening up one pack a day until we open up the whole Pokedex. So let us pick one out of here and let's see what we get. There we go. Random. Alright, hopefully something good, something good. Oh, another 151. It's awesome. So, we're looking forward to opening that today as well. 2 back-to-back days of 151. Alright, wish us luck. Cool. Let's see. Man, I hate when packs do that. This is weird. Weird pack. That doesn't make sense why that was like that. So, packs were won in an auction. They're pretty tight in here. It's also very weird. But that's what we got. We got a Koffing, Psyduck, Ekans, Cubone, Clefable, Trio, Haunter. Well, that's cool. Dome Fossil, Bill's Transfer, and another Electrode. How the hell do I get 2 straight Electrodes? And 2 items in the supporter. 2 trainers. Never gotten that before. Double trainers. But anyways, that is day 24 of the Pokedex Challenge. I'll see you tomorrow for day 25.